Greetings, folks. Bill O'Leary. And in this video, what I'm going to do is answer the question about what are the alternatives to a nursing home. So in this video, you're going to learn why some seniors are looking for alternatives to nursing homes and what some of those options are. Bill O'Leary from Legacy Planning Law Group. I'm an elder law attorney, estate planning attorney, probate and estate and trust administration here in Jacksonville, Florida. Look, most aging Americans want to avoid going to a nursing home if they can help it. And it's not just dissatisfaction with institutional nature, the institutional nature of the nursing home environments. It's not just that that's turning away seniors. Most don't want to let go of their independence. And there's still this stereotype out there that long-term care facilities are where seniors go to die. And the safety concerns that we saw during COVID have only accelerated this trend away from nursing homes. The good news is that there's some alternatives to nursing homes, and here are just a few. Number one, home care. Home care provides seniors with the assistance they need while retaining their independence. And you see healthcare workers in this situation. They can visit at scheduled times, administering specialized medical care according to the senior's needs. Now, what are some advantages of home care? Well, the senior gets to remain comfortably in their own home, number one. Number two, family and friends can visit at any time without restrictions. And number three, home care is more affordable than a nursing home. But there are some disadvantages. Number one, the home might need some refitting and to accommodate the resident, like putting in, a wheelchair ramp or railings. Not all home care services are covered by Medicare or private insurance. And then lastly, and this is a big one, a lot of times it's temporary. And what that means is, look, their home care agencies are not meant to serve long-term care needs. And this means that caregivers can rotate frequently in and out. And this can be somewhat unsettling for a senior. So that's home care as option number one. Alternative number two, assisted living facilities, also known as ALFs. They're there for seniors who don't need constant medical attention, but they could use some help with daily tasks. An ALF is basically a group residence where residents live in anywhere from private apartments and maybe share meals, participate in activities and day trips, that sort of thing, receive personal care and assistance, and medication reminders. Seniors in ALF, they require minimum help for activities of daily living, what we call ADLs, compared to nursing homes where the assistance is much more. So some of the pros of an ALF, residents often have a wide variety of activities and social support, and the rooms a lot of times feel more like home. But there are some disadvantages, some cons. One big one is that I've seen sometimes residents may be forced to share a room with someone else, which limits their space and their privacy. So that's an ALF option. Another alternative to a nursing home is board and care homes. These facilities are basically there for adults which don't require medical assistance all the time, but they need help with some, again, basic daily tasks such as walking or bathing. And usually these are private homes in neighborhoods where anywhere between 1 to 8 seniors may live, and they get to receive personal care, share meals, and get help with activities of daily living. Now, compared with nursing home care, board and care homes offer sort of a family-oriented living experiences. So what are some good things about board and care homes? They're usually set up in a sort of a relaxed home-like environment. Again, usually a home in a neighborhood. There are a smaller number of residents, which allows for more personalized care. It works great for seniors who want to maintain some level of independence while also being able to participate in activities. Now, as with anything, there's some downsides, and the few that I've been able to identify, there are fewer opportunities for socializing because the living quarters are so small. There are fewer amenities and recreational activities, and there's an emphasis on more social activities, but not really a holistic approach to health care. And then the last alternative to a nursing home is something called a continuing care retirement community, also known as a CCRC for short. CCRCs have independent living, they have assisted living and nursing home care all on one campus. They usually include houses, townhouses, and apartments. And so some of the pluses of a CCRC, they provide flexibility, let's say for spouses who may have different levels of care needs. They're also typically all inclusive by paying sort of an upfront fee, and it gives the residents in return full access to recreation, transportation, and meals. And with that upfront fee, it ensures that the seniors' care needs will be taken care of for the rest of their life. CCRCs a lot of times have the highest ratio of staff to residents to ensure that each client is looked after appropriately, and they offer social activities for residents. One big minus of a CCRC, they are expensive comparatively. So if you'd like to know a little bit more about the alternatives to a nursing home and maybe how we can help you with that, we'd love to talk to you. So we invite you to schedule our discovery phone call. It's a free 15-minute phone call to tell you what's on your mind. Just go to the bottom of this video. There's a scheduling link. I just click on that to get to our booking page and go ahead and pick the time that works for you. And if you want to watch videos on other topics that we've done about estate planning, elder law, probate, trust administration, and so forth, you can subscribe to our Legacy Planning Law Group YouTube channel. If you've enjoyed this video, we'd ask that you like it, better yet, share with your friends. So Bill O'Leary signing off for now, and go make it a great day and a better world.